Welcome to the Valley Center High School Daily Lunch Announcements. Stay tuned for the latest updates and information happening around campus. Attention, VCHS juniors. If you're interested in joining the prom committee for the 2026-2027 school year, please pick up an application from Mrs. Cooper in D09 or Mrs. Layton in D10. Applications are due by Friday, September 18th. Off-season weightlifting and conditioning is now available for all athletes not currently participating in a fall sport. Sessions run Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays from September 6th through November 5th from 3 o'clock to 3:50 p.m. Please contact Coach Schwartz with any questions. Mark your calendars for the 64th Annual Valley Center Fall Festival, featuring Thriller Nights in the Valley. Join the community for this event on September 25th and 26th, 2026 in downtown Valley Center. Don't miss your chance to order the 2026-2027 VCHS yearbook. You can get yours for $40 if you order by September 18th. Visit the Jostens website to order and personalize your cover today. Season passes for Valley Center Athletics are on sale now. These passes grant you entry to all home events. Options are available for families, individuals, and students. Here is a look at the school lunch menu for the remainder of the month. Please remember that food service operates on a prepayment system, so ensure funds are deposited into your account. Remember, if you see something, say something. You can submit an anonymous tip by downloading the P3 Tips app or by visiting the school district website at www.usd262.net. This is a reminder to order your 2027 yearbook online at jostens.com. Secure your copy of the memories today. Need help with college or career planning? Meet with your advisor, Ms. Grantham, in main office room A16. She can assist with FAFSA, college applications, workforce entry, and more. You can also reach her via email